Begin by sitting in a comfortable position. Placing your palms in your lap, facing downwards, and gently closing your eyes. Pay close attention to your breath, noticing the sensations of it entering into your body and exiting your body. And on your next inhale, let your breath be extra deep and long, feeling your stomach expand, filling your lungs completely and holding it at the top. When you're ready, let it go with a sigh. Notice how you sink in a little more deeply to the moment when you do this. Repeat 2 more times, taking 2 deep breaths at your own pace and holding them at the top before releasing with a sigh. This is your time to connect to who you really are, to be present with your body, your heart, your mind. At the end of your second long deep breath, just return to a regular pace of breathing. Noticing how you're more centered, more in the moment, more connected to the physical sensations within your body. Throughout the course of this meditation, if you find your mind wandering, know that that's perfectly okay. Do not judge yourself when this happens. Just return your awareness back to these words, back to the music, back to your breath. In this moment, we prepare our bodies, hearts, and mind for setting an intention for our highest, most loving good. Intention setting is a powerful tool. When we set an intention, we connect ourselves to an energy of a desired outcome. The more we focus on the energy behind this desired outcome, the easier it is to welcome it into our lives. Take a moment to tune into what you are setting your intention for. Once you have that in mind, let yourself fill in the rest of this sentence. The way I desire to feel around this intention is. Focus in on the feeling you are trying to create. You may not have words for the feeling, or you may have many words for the feeling. The point is that in this moment, you focus in on the emotion behind your intention. So often we're tempted to focus on the things like goals and tasks associated with our intention. But really, the emotion guides you. When you feel the emotion of already having your intention happen, you become an effortless magnet, attracting the perfect opportunities and people for your intention to happen effortlessly. Take the feeling of your intention already being accomplished. Take that feeling with you as you begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. And when you're ready, open your eyes